everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Every Day. Today we are going to learn features of Python in a very simple and easy way. This video is very useful for beginners and interview preparation. So let's get started. First feature is easy to learn. Python syntax is very simple and readable. That's why it is the best for a beginner. In other languages like a C, a syntax is we have to import first libraries like hash include stdio dot, then void main, then open curly bracket, then closing curly bracket, then get ch. But in a Python we can simply write a equal to 10, then print a, and output will be displayed. Then high level language, Python handles the memory efficiently, and so we don't need to worry about the hardware level details. Third one is interpreted language. Python code is executed line by line. There is no separate compilation step, so that's why Python is interpreted language. Fourth one is dynamically type. In a Python we don't need to declare a data type. In other languages like a C, you have to import first or declare first data type of a variable like a int a equal to 20. But in a Python we simply write x is equal to 10. Then object oriented, this is the most important topic in a Python, that is object oriented object or oops, and we will discuss about that topic in the next video. But object oriented, Python is object oriented language. Python supports classes and object, which helps in a code reusability. Then platform independent, Python is a platform independent. Python code can run on a Windows, Linux and Mac. Then large standard library, there are many libraries in a Python. We can check out all these libraries. Python provide many built-in libraries like math, datetime, OS. Then open source, Python is a free to use and has a large community support. That's all about features of Python. Thank you for watching.